today's video for 9th class English medium. Subject Science and Technology, Chapter 7, Energy Flow in an Ecosystem. Main points are carbon cycle, oxygen cycle and nitrogen cycle. First, carbon cycle. Circulation and recycling of carbon from the atmosphere to living organisms and after the death of back to atmosphere is called carbon cycle. See in these pictures. Plants convert carbon dioxide into carbohydrate by the process of photosynthesis. Similarly, they also produce carbon compounds like proteins and fats. Herbivorous feed upon plants, carnivorous feed upon herbivores in this way. Biotic carbon is transported from the plant to herbivores, from herbivores to carnivores and from carnivores to apex consumer. After the death of living organisms, carbon goes to atmosphere and is again taken up by the living organism. It involves two main processes. First process is photosynthesis. Green plant synthesize carbohydrate by using carbon dioxide and water contain carbon compounds like protein and fats. Equation of photosynthesis is 6CO2 plus 12H2O in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. Next process is the respiration. During the process of respiration, living organisms oxidize carbohydrates and produce energy and carbon dioxide gas. For equation of this process is C6H12O6 plus 6O2. 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus energy. CO2 is released into the atmosphere through abiotic processes like burning of fossil fuels and wood, forest fires and volcanic activity also. Next is the oxygen cycle. You know 21% of oxygen present in the atmosphere. Circulation and recycling of oxygen within the biosphere is called oxygen cycle. See in this picture. Animals breathe in oxygen. Breakdown of sugar molecules by animals. Animals give out carbon dioxide. Plants absorb this carbon dioxide and produce food material. Again oxygen use this carbon dioxide. Oxygen is very reactive. It reacts with other elements and compounds. As oxygen is found in the various forms like molecular oxygen O2, water and carbon dioxide, inorganic compounds, the oxygen cycle of biosphere is extremely complex. Oxygen is released in the process of photosynthesis, whereas it is used up in the processes like respiration, combustion, decomposition, corrosion, rusting, etc. Next point is the nitrogen cycle. See in this diagram, nitrogen forms 78%, that is maximum portion of atmosphere. It is necessary for the maintenance of a cycle of nature, the circulation and recycling of nitrogen gas into the form of different compounds through various biotic and abiotic processes in nature is called nitrogen cycle. All organisms participate in the nitrogen cycle. It is an important component of proteins and nucleic acid. As compared to other elements, it is inactive and does not easily combine with other elements. Most organisms cannot use the free form of nitrogen. So, it is essential to convert molecular nitrogen into nitrogen compounds. Here, important processes of the nitrogen cycle. First is nitrogen fixation. Conversion of nitrogen into nitrates and nitrites through atmospheric, industrial and biological processes is nitrogen fixation. Second is ammonification. It involves release of ammonia through decomposition of dead bodies and excretory wastes of organisms. Third, nitrification. It involves conversion of ammonia into a nitrite and then nitrate. Last is the denitrification, conversion of nitrogen compounds into the gaseous nitrogen which is available for many components is called denitrification. Thank you.